Have you ever wondered how to make money from YouTube? Welcome to the world of YouTube monetization, a realm where creativity and content can translate into cash. It's a universe that has seen many people transform their passion into their paycheck. Imagine that, turning the creation of engaging, entertaining, or educational videos into a full-time job. The potential is real, the opportunities are expansive. Yes, you heard it right. You can earn money from YouTube, and today we will walk you through the steps. First things first, you need to set up your YouTube channel. Setting up your channel is much like setting up a storefront. It's the first impression your audience will have, so make it count. Start with a catchy channel name. It should be unique, memorable, and reflective of the content you'll be sharing. Next, craft an engaging description. This is where you'll outline what viewers can expect from your channel. Be concise, clear, and compelling. Don't underestimate the power of attractive channel art. This visual element can draw viewers in and help establish your brand. Defining your channel's niche is another crucial step. Ask yourself, what kind of content will I produce? Who will find it valuable? Answering these questions will help you target your content to the right audience, increasing engagement, and ultimately, revenue. Now that your channel is set up, it's time to start creating content. Scene script. Content is king and consistency is queen. In the realm of YouTube, your content is your crown jewel. It's what grabs attention, sparks interest, and keeps viewers coming back for more. High-quality, engaging content is the lifeblood of your channel. It's what differentiates you from the crowd, and it's what makes your channel worth subscribing to. Whether it's informative, entertaining, or a mix of both, your content should always provide value to your viewers. But even the most captivating content won't get you far without consistency. A regular posting schedule is crucial. It's like a promise to your viewers, and keeping that promise can help build trust and loyalty. When viewers know they can expect new content from you at a certain time, they're more likely to stick around. This consistency not only helps grow your audience, but it also helps maintain it. Remember, consistency is key to building and maintaining your audience. Now that you have your content, how do you start making money? Well, it's time to enable monetization. Monetization is the process of earning money from your YouTube channel. But before you can monetize, you need to meet YouTube's requirements. You must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. This is YouTube's way of ensuring that your channel has a consistent audience. Once you've met these criteria, head to your account settings and click on the Monetization tab. Here you'll be prompted to agree to YouTube's terms and conditions. The next step is setting up an AdSense account. AdSense is how YouTube pays you. It's a Google service that allows publishers in the Google network to serve automatic text, image, video, or interactive media advertisements. You can set up your AdSense account by following the prompts on your YouTube dashboard. Once you meet the requirements and set up your AdSense account, you are ready to start earning money. Ad revenue isn't the only way to make money on YouTube. While it's a significant income source for many creators, there are other ways to pad your pocket. Let's dive into a few of them. First on the list is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service in your videos and using a special link to track purchases. When someone buys through your link, you get a commission. It's a win-win situation for both you and the company you're promoting. Next, we have brand sponsorships. Brands are always looking for influencers to promote their products. If you have a substantial following, companies might approach you with sponsorship deals. Remember, it's essential to partner with brands that align with your values and your audience's interests. Finally, there's crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon allow your fans to support your work financially. In return, you can offer them exclusive content, merchandise, or other perks. With these strategies, you can turn your YouTube channel into a profitable business. Let's recap what we've learned today. We started with the basics of setting up your YouTube channel. Then, we dove into the importance of creating engaging content consistently. We discussed how to enable monetization on your channel, unlocking the potential to earn from your views and subscribers. Finally, we explored other revenue streams like sponsored content and merchandise. YouTube monetization might seem daunting, but with these steps you are well on your way to making money from your videos. So what are you waiting for? Start your YouTube journey today.